Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have Glamego box for the month of September. Its price is 399 rupees for 1 month. If you subscribe for long term, then you will have to pay less for this. I have given the link to the website in the description box, then you check it out there. This is how the box reached me, so let's open this box and see what they have sent me. This time they are celebrating their anniversary, so they sent mail to choose all the products and to select the box along with them. So this time I selected this animal print box because it is very colorful. Once we open it, firstly it has an information card about the product. So let's go through one by one. So the first product is makeup product, that is Manakadar lipstick. Sorry, but its price is not written anywhere. This is the first time that Manakadar lipstick is found in the subscription box. So its body looks like this. It's a quite sleek body and its shade is Gilt. I love red and pink lipsticks. So let's swatch it. It's a quite pigmented, so I am very happy to find this product. And the next product is nail paint from the brand Bella Boste, and its shade number is 52 Ooh La La, which is little glittery Firozi color. I have already used this brand in nail paint, which remains durable for nails for a long time. And its price is not written anywhere. I have put this nail paint on my nails and it looks something like this. So I love this product. So the next product is gold facial kit from the brand Vedic line. I have already used this facial kit and it is very good that you can make facial on your own at home. This is 6 steps facial kit and all the steps are written in it. Due to having written all the steps, it is very easy to use it. It can be used only once and its price is 350 rupees and its expiry date is 2020 Feb. So the next product is face wash from the brand Blossom Culture. I have used this face wash before, so it's a really good for all skin type and its price is 80 rupees for 50 ml. And it is 100% paraben free product, and the ingredient mentioned here, it claims prevent aging and protect skin from the free radical. This is something like Pond's Fairness face wash. Like using face wash, there is slight brightness on the face. It's an everyday essential product and this is very promising to me, so I love this product. So the last product of this box is multivitamin and rejuvenating night cream from the brand Botre. It claims that to reduce fine lines, brown marks and redness. So this is a sample size product I received and its price is not written. I have received this night cream before, so I am very happy to find this product. This time I like all the products because all the products have been selected, have been found by me. So I am very happy with the mid anniversary box. And yes, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe. Then there is a bell icon next to it. Hit it, comment in the comment box. So much for today. Very soon I will come back with a new interesting video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.